My name's Susan Lee, and I'm based in Irvine, California, and I'm a happy customer of Forme Solar. I was looking for a reliable and local solar company in Orange County, so I went online and I looked up Forme Solar through Yelp and Google. I read the reviews and thought I'd give them a call. I wanted to just be mindful of clean energy because I have 3 kids. I want to make sure they have a bright and healthy future. And also, I switched over to an EV vehicle, so I wanted to explore solar. I thought it'd be a very long process, and I thought it'd be confusing and expensive. The Forme Solar team was incredible. I could not have asked for a more professional and thoughtful company to help my home and my family get solar. They were patient, they were thorough, they explained everything to me, and they made the process really seamless. I gave them a call to set up my in-person home evaluation. Somebody came out, took a look at our property, the condition of our roof, and asked me some questions on how I use energy, took a look at my bill to make sure that I was a good candidate for solar. It was awesome. So once my panels were ready for installation, I got a call from their team. It got scheduled. Somebody came out, did the installation, hooked everything up. They took care of everything with the electrical company and also taught me how to use the app. I really love having solar panels on my home. I don't have to stress out about my energy bill. I know my neighbors are curious about it, so I feel like we're making a positive impact on our community. The most satisfying part of getting solar in our home was definitely partnering with Forme Solar. They made the process so seamless. You can tell that they cared about my customer experience, and yeah, I'm so glad that I chose them. At least give them a call. Have Forme Solar come out and provide you with that in-home consultation. You won't regret it.